The list of items that I am afraid of. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and friends. I am Mohsin, a final year ED student, and I am here at Toastmasters to overcome my fear of public speaking. When I was preparing for this speech, I remember all the things that I did in my life. I want to share the experiences of my life by clubbing it in 4 different phases and what I learned from them and analyze them in retrospect. The first phase of my life, my sweet childhood phase. I was born on July 13, 1994 in Ahmedabad and I spent first 10 years of my life in Vadodara. I am the eldest child of the family and I have a sister 8 years younger to me. Back then my father used to work in a state PSU and used to live in a quiet township. The silence of the township laid the seeds of me being an introvert. The benefit of living in a township is that the commute time is very less and my parents had all the time in the world just for me. As the economic condition of the family was not good, we did not have TV or any other modern sources of entertainment. For me, entertainment was visiting a garden or swinging on the banyan trees. There used to be so much free time that I used to get bored just passing the time. As a kid, I was not happy. I always wanted the luxurious items that some of my friends possessed. But when I look back at those days, I realized that my family never had the free time that we used to have back then, and I was an idiot not to value it then. By analyzing this phase of my life, I learned that cherish what you have in your life because you never know when God will need them back. The second phase of my life, the foreign phase. When I was 10, my family relocated to Saudi Arabia. It was a big jump in my life, from a quiet township to a foreign country full of riches. For the first time, my family had a car, an AC, computer, a mobile, and the most important, delicious bakery items. This was a time when this happened. I haven't not been able to reduce since then. This was the time when I spent my entire days just watching TV and playing video games. This was the most unproductive phase of my life. I know enjoyment is important, but I think I overdid it. By analyzing this phase, it taught me that what you do today is important because you're exchanging a day of your life for it. The third phase of my life, the high school and the JEE days. This was a time when I was at the peak of my academics. When I was 13, we relocated to Ahmedabad and I was looking for schools to get admitted into. I wanted to get into St. Xavier's and they used to conduct an entrance exam. Some people told me it's very difficult to get there as it is very competitive. When I was 16, I joined JEE coaching. Again, some people told me it is very difficult to get in and it is very competitive. In both the cases, I did listen to the people. Analyzing this phase teaches me that the only voice that matters is yours. Don't lose yourself in the advice of others. The fourth phase of my life, the IIT phase. Before coming to IIT, I had already studied in 4 different schools in three different cities. But when I go back, I don't have many friends, as I was an introvert. After coming to IIT, I started interacting with people. And as time passed, I really loved interacting with people. In IIT, I have many friends. Before coming here, I didn't play much sports, but I came here determined to play sports. So in the first year, I got selected in NSO, and I played for my hostel that went on to win silver medal in water polo shooter. I actually participated in tech soc, lit soc. I did many PORs, and I learned to work in teams. Active participation by me is something that will give a shock to my schoolmates. The guy sitting in the corner of the room is giving a speech now. Another important habit that I developed after coming to IIT is reading books. I always used to think, why to read books when a movie can tell you the same story? I was so wrong. Persuaded by my friend to read my first book, Not a Penny More and a Penny Less by Jeffrey Archer, I haven't stopped reading books since then. Comparing myself as a person before and after coming to IIT, I see a huge positive difference in me. By looking at this phase, I learned that your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Having talked about my past, I would also like to brief about my future plans. When I look back, I think I have been privileged. So I aspire to do something for those who are not as lucky as me. Hence, wherever the life takes me, I want to engage in social service. And I would like to conclude by a quote by Albert Einstein. Only a life lived in the service of others is worth living. Thank you.